Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a cook with me video. I'm just going to be making barbecue chicken in the crock pot, tater tots, and macaroni and cheese. This is an easy, simple weekend meal that we like to do a lot, so I hope you guys enjoy it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get 2 pounds of chicken and you're just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on each one. So I'm going to be using these slow cooker liners in my crock pot. This makes it so much easier to clean. You can pretty much buy these anywhere, but I got mine from Walmart. So you're going to be using zesty Italian, honey barbecue sauce, or any kind you like, Worcestershire sauce, and brown sugar for this recipe. You're going to take 1 cup of barbecue sauce to start off with your mixture. And then you're going to take your zesty Italian sauce, make sure you shake it up first, and you're going to add 1/4 a cup to your barbecue sauce. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss. And then add 1/4 a cup of brown sugar. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And then a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then when you're done adding all that together, just mix it up, and mix it up really, really good so it's the same consistency as a regular barbecue sauce. And then you're ready to pour it in. Just make sure it covers the chicken completely. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them. You're going to want to cook it on high for about 3 to 4 hours. So for this video, I'm most excited to share with you guys my new Avalon Bay air fryer. I love this thing. It cooks everything so much quicker, and you don't have to use the oil in it like you would normally, and it's so simple. I'm going to have a code for you guys. The code is Carla, and it can get you 30% off your own air fryer. All the information you need will be down in the description box below. As you can see right here, the air fryer does come with a little pan and a rack that you can cook on as well. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and preheat my air fryer, and you only have to preheat it for about 3 minutes and it's ready. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and get some water started so it can be boiling and ready for the macaroni and cheese. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my tater tots in. Sorry, the camera was shaking because I had the tripod sitting on the stove. And I'm just going to cook these for about 10 minutes and they will be perfectly done. You guys have definitely got to get you one of these Avalon Bay air fryers, especially if you like french fries. The french fries out of this thing taste like they came straight out of a restaurant. It's crazy. Now that my chicken's ready, I'm going to go ahead and start getting it ready to put on some sandwiches. Hard to predict, you should admit. Slowly things will come around. I like to go in at about halfway through the cooking and just shake whatever I'm cooking just to make sure everything is cooked evenly. So yeah, that is it. This is just a really simple meal. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I know I didn't because I am on Weight Watchers Freestyle, so I couldn't eat all of this, but I did get to eat some of it. So yeah, just let me know if you like this video in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!